Hi, I'm Chris Carter with Rural Gaskets, Tennessee. I'm here to demonstrate the spring removal tool. And what you would do is you would take the tool and you want to put it on the top side of the spring onto the push rod tube. And this is just a demonstration that we have that you would push downward and it pushes down onto the spring, so you want to collapse the spring. And then you back push away. That is how you remove a push rod tube off of the end. What you would do is you would use this in two different ways. You put it against your shoulder like on a tail dragger. The engine is higher. You push here. Or on a tricycle gear, you can put it down in the lower position and grab a hold of your cylinder and push in. And that is the spring removal tool, VSC-4.